want to go ahead and open up the glove box, remove any contents from the glove box. Now on the side of the box, on each side, there's going to be some little tabs that hold the glove box from dropping out. You want to press in on both sides. And then on the outer side here, there's a little rod that has a notch in it. So what we're going to do is we want to just grab that and we push downward, and that will release this little clip from the rod on the glove box. As the glove box tips down, that's going to expose 2 Phillips head screws. Let's go ahead and remove these screws. Once this screw is out, we'll go ahead and take the glove box, remove it, and set it aside. Then we want to go ahead and remove our under cover here. There's going to be 3 metal clips on the front section, and then there's 2 plastic posts in the back that will slide out. So we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool remover. Just going to pop in here and gently pry down. Pull this down and pull it out. Now, our undercover has like these little metal retainer clips, and they might pop off. You want to go ahead and just put that back onto the glove box or on the bottom trim, so when it pushes up, it locks into place. Now I want to go ahead and remove our blower motor here. There's going to be 3 screws. There's one here. There's going to be one up on the front section right here. And then there's another one over behind this wiring harness and this duct over here. So using a Phillips head screwdriver, let's go ahead and remove those screws. Now on the side of the blower motor, there is an electrical connector. You can remove that now. You could remove it before you undo the screws, but there's basically just a little tab. Now on the back side of our original blower motor, we have our drain tube here. I'll go ahead and pop that right off like so. Take our new unit, and we're just going to pop that on. And we can go ahead and install a couple of our screws. And I'm just going to try and catch a couple of these screws by hand first. You also want to make sure that your drain tube is lined up and pressed on up top. Once we have our 3 screws installed on our blower motor, we now go ahead and take our connector here. Now line this up. And press it on. Let's go ahead and put on our undercover. There's going to be 2 little pegs here and here that are going to insert into the back underside. Then this will pop up, and we have our 3 metal tabs right here that actually just lock in. Let's see if we can get that screw in just a few threads here. I'll come on over to the other side here. Go ahead and snug those down. Come back to the other side, finish snugging this side down. We're going to lift up our glove box, and we want to go ahead and catch our little stop strap here. That'll line up and just pull up. You'll hear that snap into place. Now I want to go ahead and push our glove box side tabs inside. Reinstall our contents and close the box.